There is a powerful way to use decoys in negotiation, and it works very well when presenting different options to our counterparts. Through decoys, we can influence how people make decisions. In majority of the cases, when two options are presented to someone, one that is more expensive and the other that is less expensive, people tend to buy the less expensive option. When three options are offered, people tend to choose the one in the middle. We make buying decisions based on what options are presented to us, but also how those options are presented to us. Now listen to this. Here is a tweak. When buyers were presented with two options to purchase subscriptions of The Economist, one option was a web-only subscription offered for $59, and the other option was print, so a hard copy plus an internet subscription offered for $125. So the following happened. 68% of people chose the web-only option and 32% of people chose the print plus internet subscription. Hypothetical revenue based on 1,000 buyers is about $80,000. What is really fascinating is that by adding one more option, but at the same price point, it is possible to change buying behaviors. When buyers were presented with three options, internet-only subscription for $59, print subscription for $125, and print and internet subscription for $125. 16% of people chose the web-only option, nobody chose the print subscription only, and 84% of people chose the print plus internet subscription. Previously, it was only 32%. And hypothetical revenue based on 1,000 buyers is now $114,000. So by adding a decoy, the print-only option at $125, the majority of buyers shifted to the print and internet version, which was exactly the same price. Simply adding the print-only or the decoy option, revenues jumped almost 43%. While the decoy option is unlikely to be chosen, it serves a purpose in influencing the buyer's decision-making process. You see, most people don't know what they want, what decision to make, unless they see it in context. Remember that given three choices, most people will take the middle option. So when you present three options to a counterpart, which option should you price as the middle option? The one you want your counterpart to choose. You see, we like to make decisions based on comparisons. Imagine you are planning your holiday in Europe. You want to relax and get a nice hotel by the beach. So your wife comes to you and presents you with two packages for Estepona in Spain and Naples in Italy. The packages include airfare, hotel accommodation for 1 week, and a free breakfast every single morning. It may be difficult to choose between the two, but which would you select? It doesn't matter because your wife wants to go to Spain. So what is she going to do? She's going to use a decoy, and she's actually giving you three options from the very beginning. Estepona in Spain and Naples in Italy both include airfare, hotel accommodation for 1 week, and a free breakfast every morning. And she tells you, listen, and here is another option. Estepona in Spain without the free breakfast at the same price. So Estepona without the free breakfast is a downgrade. Estepona without the free breakfast makes Estepona with the free breakfast look superior. It makes it look so good that most of us would stop comparing these options with whatever is waiting for you in Naples. Why? Because thinking can be difficult and sometimes unpleasant. And to simplify and automate our decision-making processes, we tend to focus on comparing things that are easily comparable and avoid comparing things that cannot be compared easily. Estepona with the free breakfast is easily comparable with Estepona without the free breakfast, but Estepona without the free breakfast is not so easily comparable with Naples with the free breakfast. In any negotiation, make it easy for your counterpart to choose what you want them to choose. I've been repeating this through this program over and over again. Take ownership of what your offer or your position or your recommendation is compared with in negotiation. How do we do it? By giving people options.